The side job calculator is custom made tool by tax advisors and accountants for calculating your income tax contributions and your trade license net income after the taxes when you have income from full-time employment and secondary income from trade license. We don't use any sort of API or third-party applications, and we update the tool regularly. To check your tax and contribution expense from trade license side income, you will need to enter your yearly gross salary and yearly tax paid from full-time employment. The tool calculates your yearly income tax from employment automatically using your basic tax discount. If you know your yearly tax amount from employment, you can also modify the input of the yearly tax paid amount from employment. Now you should enter your yearly gross income amount from trade license business to check your tax contributions for the income from the trade license as a side income. Let's assume your monthly salary is 100,000 Czech kronas, and this is 1,200,000 Czech kronas per year, and the tool automatically adds your income tax deposits amount for the full year from the employment with the basic tax discount. Again, if you know your yearly employment tax amount and if it's different, then here, because of different tax bonuses and tax discounts, you can add and modify this field. Now let's assume your income from trade license is 240,000 Czech kronas for the full year, and after clicking the calculate, we have a results of the net income and taxes from trade license when you have it as a side income. Before going through the results, I want to clarify the most common misunderstandings about not paying a tax while having a full-time job and the trade license. One of the most common misunderstandings about side trade license income is that people think their taxes are paid by employer from full-time job while having a business license as a secondary income, and this is incorrect. From your gross salary you pay social tax, health insurance and the income tax, and your net salary is what's left after these deductions. But if you earn additional income from business, you must pay social tax, health insurance and income tax on that income too, and the more you earn, the more taxes you pay on the side income. If you earn nothing from your side business, then you pay no additional taxes. The side income from trade license has specific rules of calculation for social tax. For example, you have a minimum income from which the social tax is charged, or maximum income from which social tax is not charged. That's why in this calculation, while our gross income from trade license didn't reach specific amount of income, the social tax is not charged and we pay zero social tax. Otherwise, as you have income on the side from trade license, you should always pay income tax, health insurance, social tax from your income. This calculator calculates the taxes, contributions and net income from trade license as a side income. You can also check our other calculators. The Freelancer calculator calculates your net income if you have an income only from trade license, and employment contract calculator helps you to understand if you pay less taxes if you work as a self-employed under the trade license or work under the full-time employment contract in the Czech Republic. Or the employee tax return calculator helps you to understand if you should do an annual employee tax report as a mandatory task, or if you should do tax report voluntarily to get a tax refund end of the year.